What if I told you that your laundry isn't actually getting clean, that the fresh smell is just fragrance masking bacteria, and that one common mistake is causing your clothes to smell musty, moldy, or sour even right after washing? What if you've been unknowingly creating the perfect environment for bacteria to thrive in your washing machine, and every load you wash is getting contaminated? I struggled with this for months until I discovered the real cause, and when I fixed it, the difference was absolutely shocking. Stay with me, because this will finally solve your smelly laundry problem, the problem that makes no sense. You pull your clothes out of the washing machine. They should smell fresh and clean. You used detergent. You used fabric softener. You followed all the instructions. But when you smell your clothes, especially towels and workout gear, there's this weird odor, musty, slightly sour, definitely not fresh. You think maybe you left them in the washer too long, so next time, you transfer them to the dryer immediately. Same smell. You try different detergents, expensive ones with fresh scent promises. The smell persists. You add more detergent, thinking maybe you're not using enough. It gets worse. Nothing makes sense. How can freshly washed clothes smell bad? The real culprit: detergent buildup. Here's the shocking truth. You're using too much detergent. Yes, too much. Modern detergents are incredibly concentrated. The amount you need is far less than you think. When you use too much, it doesn't fully rinse out. Residue accumulates in your clothes and in your washing machine. This residue traps bacteria and odors. It creates the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew in the warm, moist environment of your washer. And every load you wash gets contaminated by this bacteria-laden residue. The technician showed me inside my washing machine. The rubber gasket around the door had black mold. The detergent dispenser had slimy buildup. The drum itself had a film coating I didn't even know was there. All of this from using too much detergent and fabric softener. He said, 90% of smelly laundry problems I see are from detergent overuse. I was using the amount shown on the detergent bottle's cap. The complete solution. Step 1. Clean your washing machine. Run an empty hot water cycle with 2 cups of white vinegar. Then run another empty hot cycle with half cup baking soda. This strips away built-up detergent and fabric softener and kills mold and bacteria. When I did this, the water in the first cycle came out brownish and foamy. Disgusting. That contamination had been coating every load I washed. Step 2. Use drastically less detergent. 1 tablespoon for regular loads. 2 tablespoons maximum for heavily soiled loads. I know this sounds insanely small, but modern detergents are that concentrated. When I switched to this amount, my clothes actually started smelling clean for the first time in months. The key is that less detergent rinses out completely, leaving no residue for bacteria to feed on. Step 3. Stop using fabric softener. Fabric softener coats fibers with waxy chemicals. This coating traps odors and bacteria. It's one of the main culprits in smelly towels. Use white vinegar in the fabric softener dispenser instead. Half cup per load. It softens naturally, removes detergent residue, and eliminates odors without coating fibers. Step 4. Always leave your washing machine door open between loads. This allows moisture to evaporate instead of creating a breeding ground for mold and bacteria. Front-loading washers are especially prone to this problem because water pools in the rubber gasket. The transformation. Why this information is hidden. The detergent industry profits from you using too much product. Those measurement lines on the cap? They're deliberately designed to make you overuse. The fresh scent in detergents masks the fact that your clothes aren't getting properly clean. They're just perfumed. The cost savings. Using 1/3 the detergent I was using before means a bottle that used to last 1 month now lasts 3 months. For me, that's about $140 saved annually. Eliminating fabric softener saves about another $100. And using vinegar, which costs $3 and lasts months, instead of fabric softener, creates additional savings. This isn't just about smell, it's about money. There's the real reason your clean laundry stinks: too much detergent creating residue that breeds bacteria. The solution: clean your machine, use way less detergent, replace fabric softener with vinegar, leave the door open. If this just solved a problem that's been driving you crazy, smash that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more truth about everyday problems. Share with anyone fighting smelly laundry. Comment if you're trying this today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, use less, not more, rinse completely, and finally enjoy truly fresh laundry.